3 construction workers remanded for break-and-enter-and-larceny. 3 individuals, Carlton Moses, Yashua Angoy, and Michael Vandersoop, found themselves facing serious charges of break-and-enter-and-larceny following their arrest on February 16, 2024. The alleged offense took place at the dwelling house of Vidnarine Singh, leading to their apprehension under Section 229A of the Criminal Law, Offences, Act, Chapter 801. Moses, aged 23 and hailing from Friendship Squatting Area, East Bank Demerara, was joined by Angoy, aged 18 from Second Street Kaneville, EBD, and Vandersoop, aged 36 from Grove Housing Scheme, EBD, in the court proceedings held at the Diamond Magistrates Court before Magistrate Judy Latchman. Despite their pleas of not guilty, bail was refused, and they were remanded to prison pending further legal proceedings. The case has been adjourned until March 13, 2024. The incident underscores the seriousness with which break-ins and theft are treated by the legal system, reflecting a commitment to upholding the rule of law and ensuring the safety and security of citizens' property.